Good morning, friends. It gives me great pleasure in giving today's small talk. This is actually on a celebratory note because it's about a year since we started with the conceptual surgery. And of course, we've had the inspiration of conceptual orthopedics ahead of us. And we started this app, hopefully wanting to meet the needs of all the postgraduates, as well as those people who are wanting to further advance. So I think we've done a competent job. We believe so. And we have been interacting with you all along, finding out what are your needs and necessities, and hopefully trying to meet them in many ways. I'm not going to be giving specific examples of what all we actually got the inputs from you and what all we did. But then I think we managed to put in many of the inputs that you have asked us for. There have been around 400 plus videos on various surgical topics given by a very competent group of faculty drawn from various sources. These are multiple sources, and it is highly unusual to have such a huge resource coming from various institutions, both public and private, and medical colleges as well. And I think we are doing well. And we hope to do a lot more. As a matter of fact, right now we have done videos, we've done case discussions, we have done board rounds, and we've also had just the beginning of OSCEs. We've just begun OSCEs. We hope to go a long way as far as OSCEs are concerned. And we are at the moment in general OSCEs, and we then want to do organ-specific OSCEs as we go along. And a lot more to come. What are those? We are likely to have notes coming through. We are likely to have possibly the MCQ books coming through. And our very competent colleagues in orthopedics have done a lot more. And we want to duplicate those efforts for surgical students too. So I feel it has been a great beginning for the surgical community and for those of us who have spent a lifetime in the field teaching surgery. It has been a great learning experience. And we hope that it was the same for you all as well. And we continue to look forward to your active participation in our videos and lectures. And we also look forward to further additions to the number of people, the subscriptions, you might say, to our app, so that we can have the pleasure of interacting more and more with more and more students. Recently, I've had an opportunity to speak to some of you directly, and it has been a pleasure to know exactly what you need. We have both DNB students as well as MS students, and that gave me a lot of pleasure interacting with all the students, and we hope to do so in the coming year too. So on a celebratory note, we are very happy to have been of use to you and to have been of a teaching experience for all of you. And we hope, and we also like to bless that all of you have a great time ahead of you, and hope to see you all through your examinations and further on into your super specialty courses. Thank you so much.